Welcome to all. In this video, we shall learn how to draw the sectional left hand side view of an object. So this is the problem. Along its direction, you will get front view. Now this direction, you will get the left hand side view. We want to draw the sectional left hand side view of an object and top view of an object. So as usual, first of all, calculate the length. Length is given 70 mm. Height is 60 mm and width is given 80 mm. So draw a box of size in front view 70 by 60 mm, in top view length 70 and width 80 mm, and left hand side view width 80 and height 60 mm. After drawing the given box, we want to draw the front view of an object. So here, yellow portion represents the front view, and this portion is also represent the front view because it is shown in front view as well as top view. So let us know how to solve this problem. This point represents extreme left corner. So from this point we want to start the problems. So total length is 70 mm. So first of all, draw a length of size 70 mm. Now, after drawing this line, you will reach these points. Again, height is given. Height is 30 mm. So draw a height of size 30 mm. Again, this distance is given. This distance is 15 mm. So take a distance of size 15 mm. Again, height in downward direction. This is height is given 15 mm. So draw a height of size 15 mm. This distance is 40 mm because lifting the distance of size 15 from both the sides. So take distance of size 40. Again, height is 15 and length is 15 mm. When you are looking from front, this portion coincide with this portion. This portion is coincide with this portion. So you will get the line. So here you will get straight line. On that portion you will get hidden lines of size 5 mm because it is invisible when you are looking from front. So from this point take a distance of size 5 mm and draw a hidden lines. Now how to draw these portions? Okay, from extreme left corner take a distance of size 25 and height is given 20 mm. So from this point take a distance of size 25 mm. This portion is dark and height is 20 mm. This distance is 20. And join this last point of size 30 mm. So this portion is hollow one. So that is a front view of an object. Now we want to draw the top view of an object. Transfer all the points of projection from front view to top view. Transfer all points. When you are looking from top and when you have to tilt that object at an angle of 90 degree, so this portion comes top portions and this one comes from bottom one. So you can start either top or bottom. So when you are looking from this direction or this side, here you will get straight line horizontal of size 70 mm. So here on top, here we will get straight horizontal line of size 70 mm. Again this distance is given is 15 mm. So again here we will get size of 15 mm and distance is 25 mm. Again same here, you can take a distance of size 15 mm and 25 mm. And draw this line. Now how to obtain these points? It comes from the left hand side of an object. Now here we have to left some distance, here you will get these points. Now move on next, here you will get rectangle of size 40 by 70. From this bottom you can draw a rectangle of size 40 mm by 70 mm. Again here you will get another rectangle of size 40 by 25. So from this point left some distance of size 15 mm. Again same 15 mm. This distance is given 25. Here again you will get rectangle of given size. When you are looking from top, here you will get hidden lines of size 20 mm, 20 mm. So mark these points. Here you will get hidden lines from top. Again here you will get hidden lines. So this is your top view of an object. One portion is remaining. This portion is obtained from the side view. Now take all the projection from top view to side view and front view to side view of an object. Now when you are looking from left hand side view, here you will get the height of size 60 mm. So first of all draw a height of size 60 mm. You will reach this point. This distance is given 15 mm. So from this point take a distance of size 15 mm and here you will get the inclined line. So from this point this distance is 40 and this height is 30. So first of all you draw the distance is 30 mm and this one is 40 mm and it is joined by the inclined line. This one. Here again you will get distance of size 20 mm and height is 50 mm. Draw this part. Again same here you will get 20 mm size. When you are looking from left, again here you will get a distance of size 25 and this height is 15 mm, which are the invisible lines, which are invisible. But when you are looking from the section, it is a visible lines. So take a distance of size 25 and this distance is 15. Here you will get the visible lines. Again when you are looking from this part, here you will get hidden lines. So what is the distance? 20 mm. So from this point, take a distance of size 20 mm. It is a dark line because it is sectional left hand side view. After that, take the projection of this point. For locating the top view, reverse process for obtaining these points. And here you will get the complete top view of an object. After that, draw the hatching lines. So set an angle 45 degree and draw hatching lines. So here you will not get the hatching parts because this is a hollow portion. So starting from this point, here you will get the hatching lines. So this is the sectional left hand side of an object. After that, give the dimensions and names. You will get the complete view.